So, when trying to find a mentor, there are two pretty simple ways that you can add value to them so that they'll want to be around you and give you their time. But most people usually think that why would this person that I want to be my mentor give me their time, right? What do I bring to the table? Why would they even want to be around me? And I think we kind of get caught up in thinking that we need to give them a referral or a gift, or we need to actually have a transaction when we're giving them money for their time. But in reality, there's actually more abstract and qualitative things that we can offer a mentor. And it comes more in the way of personality traits and social skills. So, number one, the first thing that you could do to add value to a mentor is humor. So hear me out on this. There's been multiple very high net worth individuals that I've gone out to lunch with because I'm fun around them. I like having a good time. I keep things simple. I keep things light. I keep things fun. And a lot of times these people are in situations all day, high stress situations. They're continuously having to problem solve things. A lot of stress gets built up. And when you can be around someone who's fun and light, it alleviates stress. It keeps things fun. It kind of jolts their day a little bit and brings them back down to just having a good time and enjoying their day. So that's number one. And then number two is compliments. And I'm not talking about blowing smoke here. Talking about being genuine and authentic with somebody. If you think somebody is impressive and you want them to be your mentor, you simply tell them how impressed you are with the things that they've done. You compliment their achievements, and that's really rare to hear, actually. Even when you're extremely successful, rarely will people say to you, wow, that's really impressive, or great job, because they feel insecure about themselves, or they don't want to like inflate your ego or something like that. So if you can bring that to somebody and just like give them a really genuine compliment from your heart, it will honestly make their day. And if they feel good being around you because you're funny or humorous and you're being authentically complimentary to them, they're gonna want to be around you more. And the more proximity you have to this person, the more knowledge that you'll gain from them. Their traits, their successful abilities and habits will eventually rub off on you as well. So those are two of the main things that you can give to somebody that doesn't actually cost any money. So two things I just wanted to share with you quickly. If you learned anything from this and if you liked it, tap that thumbs up button. And if you have anything else that you have added to a mentor that didn't cost you anything, please leave it in the comments down below. And good luck. I believe in you guys, and I'll see you later.